Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered why stars seem to twinkle? It's a question that has fascinated humans for centuries. When you gaze up, you see countless stars, each one flickering like a tiny beacon in the vast darkness. They shine and shimmer like tiny dancers, winking on and off. It's a beautiful sight, isn't it? The stars seem to perform a delicate ballet, captivating anyone who takes the time to watch. But the truth about why stars twinkle is even more amazing than you might imagine. It's a phenomenon that involves both the stars themselves and the journey their light takes to reach us. Stars are giant balls of burning gas, just like our sun. They are incredibly hot and emit a tremendous amount of light and energy. They emit a constant, steady light that travels across the vast universe. This light journeys through the vacuum of space, unaffected by anything until it reaches our atmosphere. However, by the time this light reaches our eyes here on Earth, it has gone through quite a journey. The Earth's atmosphere, with its layers of varying temperatures and densities, bends and distorts the light. That's where the secret to twinkling lies. The atmosphere acts like a lens, causing the light to shift and change direction, making the stars appear to twinkle. The stars aren't really winking on and off. They might seem like they're twinkling, but there's a fascinating reason behind this illusion. Their light just appears to flicker because of something called Earth's atmosphere. This atmosphere is a dynamic, ever-changing layer of gases that surrounds our planet. You see, our planet is surrounded by a layer of air, and this air is always moving and changing. Winds, temperature differences, and various weather patterns cause the air to constantly shift and swirl. As starlight travels through the Earth's atmosphere, it gets bent and bounced around by these air currents. This bending and bouncing of light is what creates the twinkling effect we see from the ground. Imagine shining a flashlight through a glass of water. The light doesn't travel in a straight line. Instead, it bends and refracts as it passes through the water. This is similar to what happens with starlight as it passes through the Earth's atmosphere. The constant movement of air causes the light to bend in different directions, creating the beautiful twinkling effect we observe in the night sky. The Earth's atmosphere acts like an obstacle course for starlight. As starlight travels from the vast expanse of space and enters our atmosphere, it encounters various challenges. The light has to pass through different layers of air, each with its own temperature and density. These layers act like a series of filters, bending and refracting the light in different ways. All this bending and bouncing makes the starlight look like it's twinkling when we see it from the ground. This phenomenon, known as stellar scintillation, is what gives stars their characteristic twinkle. Some stars seem to twinkle more than others. This variation is due to the different paths the starlight takes through the atmosphere, encountering varying conditions along the way. The greater the distance, the more atmospheric layers the light must traverse, increasing the twinkling effect. The more atmosphere the light has to pass through, the more it gets bent and the more it twinkles. This is why stars near the horizon appear to twinkle more than those directly overhead, as their light passes through a thicker slice of the atmosphere. The next time you gaze up at a starry night, remember that the light you see has traveled for a very long time to reach you. Some of those stars are so far away that their light has been traveling for thousands of years. Isn't that incredible? Understanding why stars twinkle helps us learn more about the universe and our place in it. It reminds us that even though space seems vast and empty, it's full of wonder and beauty, just waiting to be explored. Love learning about the universe? Tap like and subscribe for more amazing science, and don't miss our video on how shooting stars streak across the sky.